Oh, so the Mark 4 trains are still in service, the InterCity 225, and we just have one approaching right now, which is really good because I think they retired them and they brought them back into service, because the Hitachi A trains, like the one you see in the background, were reported to have some cracks. So in order to supplement the reduced capacity, they brought these Mark 4 trains back into service. But I think this on their last breath now, and this is probably the last opportunity to board one of these Mark 4 InterCity 225s. Just hearing the old squeaky pneumatic valves operating. Electric door mechanism. Do I hear hissing of air? So maybe pneumatic. And this is going to be the slowest accelerating train operating on this route, now that the 125 diesels have been taken out of service. So we're not moving yet. Oh, that's the brakes being released. And there's the buffet cart through there. Okay, so these are the new platforms that just reopened. As we can see, the overhead lines are still nicely nice and new, copper colored, not oxidized yet, because they've just been installed. Platform 3, 2, so these platforms were closed for a couple of months for refurbishment. Look at the nice color of the copper overhead lines. They won't stay that way for long, but yeah. Here we go. InterCity 225 on its final leg now. What a beauty.